Morning. Good morning. Good morning. I don't have anything. Yeah, welcome to this video on my new YouTube channel, and welcome to Koregaon Park in Pune, Maharashtra, India. And forget my pronunciation of everything. My English is okay. My Hindi and Maharashtrian, or whatever you might call that in English, is borderline zero basically. And in this video I will just walk around a bit through KP, how the locals like me call it, and yeah, we'll see what I can find. The city of Pune is a city with like the population of 9 million people, I think, or 10 million even. And KP is right in the middle of it, and Pune has normally quite similar characters to what you see from the typical Indian cities. Very busy, very crowded. But here in the middle, in Koregaon Park, it is very, very calm most of the time. There are many bars around, nightlife is happening here, sure, but on a day-to-day basis, it's very calm here. There are just trees and you hear the birds and wide streets and sidewalks. We have sidewalks here, that is also very amazing. And yeah, that's why I chose this place to stay, because it really feels like the escape from the city basically. Let's have a look on Google Maps since I'm a little bit lost already. Okay, here in this area there's like the busy area, and then here there's the calm area. So let's go down to the street and then turn left to the residential area basically. Not sure if we can even go through here. We should be able to. Okay, let's try that, never done that. For those who are interested, this is my camera setup for today. My A7C II, which is my main camera for everything nowadays, and the TTArtisan 40mm f2. And it has this nice aperture ring, and it's a very budget-friendly lens compared to all the alternatives out there. And for me, 40mm really just makes sense currently. And that's like my main lens basically. I use for day-to-day life, and when I really want to go out and take photos, I always use the 40mm basically. And here you can see what I love most about KP. These forests here and those trees here, they are just so beautiful. Just everything hanging down here, and those massive tree trunks that are not just like a singular trunk, but also like multiple ones growing together to one in the top part. That's very beautiful. Something like this here is the prime example what I love about India. Like India's has this reputation of being dirty and so on, but there are so many things like this truck here, for example, that is just unnecessarily beautiful. Why has anybody made the effort to decorate it this way and so on? It's so inefficient basically, but that's what I like about it. It's not everything in life is about efficiency. Some things are just to make them beautiful, and that's nice, I think. And now finally the sun is shining through. Oh, there's a little chipmunk. How do you call him? I think so, right? He's way too fast. He is way too fast. Everything you're seeing here, every nice building, not even just a nice building, but everything is pretty much completely under camera surveillance. Here's the Osho garden. I would love to go in here, but it says strictly that there's no photography or videography allowed inside of there. And last time I was here, I was getting in trouble a little bit. Or not in trouble, but they didn't let me in basically. and yeah, I don't want to get in trouble today. Now we are in the more busy area of Koregaon Park. We are like on the main lanes here. Slowly life is waking up here in KP. More people out on the streets. Street food markets are starting to open. And on the sidewalks you have always to be very careful because there are always like cables hanging. So you have to check the ground and check where your head is so you don't walk into anything. Okay, now this is lane 4. I don't think we are going in here. This will be much more of the same basically. I will stay now on the main street and then go into the main area where all the shops and cafes are. I changed the perspective because I feel like too much of an idiot walking around with the POV camera on my head. Okay, change of mind, so I will just go to this gutty chutney place, I guess, to have some real Indian breakfast. Good morning. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little walk together with me through KP or Koregaon Park here in Pune. It was not really about capturing the most amazing pictures, but more like capturing this morning, how it happened, and capturing some authentic moments here from India. I already have a bunch of ideas for upcoming videos, so if you're interested in photography or India, you're totally welcome to subscribe to this channel, and hopefully I will follow through on my promise here that this won't be the last video on this channel. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.